Oh, no. Yeah. Just bend it. Oh, that happens. We're in Nicosia here. Haven't been charging Eve in a while because it's just a small island, and the last week we only did 217 kilometers. Yesterday we drove here, it was just, 40 kilometers. But the cool thing is, right here outside our apartment is a charger. How cool is that? And it is active, and it's perfect to charge it up and have a little morning coffee here, right here. Right here. How cool is that? Touch. Yep. Connect. Connect. All right. To be quite honest, it is a bit of a weird situation, like a weird parking situation for this charger. Like, there's no way to park for cars, really. Thanks. Yeah. Thank you. The cool thing here in northern Cyprus, all chargers are free so far. Doesn't cost anything, which is really awesome. Where am I going? I don't really know. I don't even really know where I'm going today with this vlog. I was gonna buy a new camera today, but I thought a lot about it, and I actually don't really need this camera. And another thing that put me off is, in order to buy the camera, I would have had to cross the border. Can you imagine? This city is, I think it is the last city that is I don't even know where I'm going right now. There's a border running through the city. This is so insane. Let me just turn around here. I don't know if I can even go to the border. How much of a pain in the ass must that be for people that live here? You can't, I mean, you can just cross it, I think, but you're leaving the country. Ah, this is a one-way street. Okay. We haven't really checked out much yet. Okay. All a little bit confusing. But how weird. People that lived in Berlin before '89, they can feel the pain, I think. It's just crazy. But anyways, today there's not really a plan. Marie has a surprise later for me, so quite curious what's up with that. I think this is now here the old town. And I'm not sure how far we can go up to the border. Maybe this way? Yeah. All right. Here's a wall. The Forbidden Zone. It's just crazy. Yeah. Border. Nicosia, walled city. Crazy, right? Can I go further here? Crazy. I can only enter via the like official car border crossing. Insane. Insane, guys. You know what, guys? Screw it. I decided I'll buy the camera. It will be good for the videos, and so I just went home and grabbed my passport, and now I'm walking over the border because that is certainly a lot easier, even faster, I think, instead of me going just around with the motorcycle. I'm excited. I think it's a great camera. And it's not easy to get. I'll go ahead and buy it. But at first I have to cross the border. How ridiculous is that? So I'm now in the green line, green zone. And they don't give you a stamp, I think they're just checking. Huh? Yeah. Hey. Thank you. Bye. Right, back in Cyprus. Let's go check out that camera. Still 37 degrees. Man, that is hot. But I actually enjoy a little walk. Because if you sit on the motorcycle every day, you need to make sure that you keep moving. An interesting fact, now that I'm back in Cyprus, also of course my SIM card doesn't work anymore, and all within one city. This is just madness, really. Politics. Oh, there it is, guys. Now I just have to make sure the batteries are charged. I put an SD card in and then we can try it out. Cool. And I have to walk back home, but that's... Take it out, I have a new camera.
The one that you said that you wouldn't buy?
Yeah, look at it.
That we agreed that it's a bit creepy. Oh, it's moving. Move.
It has zoom.
Okay, don't zoom into me, please. Don't zoom into me.
So what's the surprise today?
It's a surprise for a reason. Shoo. Shoo shoo.
Alright, she won't tell me. The camera is really cool. It's an actual video camera. My first real video camera. It's a camcorder, but it's a Sony camcorder and it's really freaking good. It's supposed to replace these two cameras. So 2 cameras replaced by just 1 camera. Check out the zoom, guys. I think that's amazing. Wow. Was it a good investment?
Let's see. I mean, you're going to obviously use it every day.
Yeah.
So that means good investment. However, you've got about 20 other cameras that you
but I
use
replaced them for this now.
And then what? The other ones? Backups?
You're too small for the frame, babes. Really. You need to grow a little bit.
You have to shrink. Yeah?
Yeah.
You just like shrink down. Go and try and enter. It was locked and put the fucking camera away.
check this out. I zoomed into the moon.
Cool. Story.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go. What do we do next?
We're not walking, by the way.
What do we do next?
None of your business.
I walked 10 kilometers.
Do you need for your thoughts?
Oh, pick it up.
No, you pick it up.
Pick it up.
What's 10? It's like 20 cents. Hold on. 20 cents?
I'll pick it up.
My arm's tired already.
Where are we going now?
Very heavy. I need my phone.
So what's the surprise? It's about time that you tell me now.
No.
You can tell me now. Are we going to the Barbie movie?
No. No. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. No. 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 Hell no. 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 I refuse. No. No.
Who eats popcorn like that?
Everyone eats popcorn like this.
Nobody.
Everyone does. Good. Like a cat.
Not so far up. Not so far up.
Why? No one's like...
No, that's not cool.
Isn't that awfully weird?
It's weird, Chess. Why are you not wearing pink?
What do you think about it? Why are you not wearing pink? Oh, you didn't know you're coming. Did you?
No.
Well, just prepare always in case. Oh, you're wearing your pink underwear. I saw you this morning put them on.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. We have the pleasure to watch the Barbie movie now.
It only costs €3.
Yeah. Cinema is cheap here. That's so creepy.
It's so creepy what you're doing.